We're in the AI house here at CES. I'm with Moyi from Coinfeeds. Thank you so much for talking to me today.
Of course.
I'm so excited to hear more about AI and how you're using it at Coinfeeds. Like how do these technologies come together?
Yeah, so at Coinfeeds, we use AI to help investment funds. So we actually help these funds to build an internal AI platform or AI factory that is completely private to them and secure and in a private cloud. And it connects to their own data. And there is, they can manage the user access permissions so that, for example, someone who works in sales versus someone who works in trading or investment analysis can have access to different data and to chat with AI on their own data.
Okay, that's really fascinating too. There's a lot of people that are really interested in this space. There's people who they know everything. They're really up in it. But there's a lot of people who are just now getting to know like what this is, what is blockchain, what is crypto, what is a stable coin. Those conversations. What do you tell people who have an interest but maybe don't have a lot of knowledge?
Oh yeah. So for anyone who wants to just learn a little bit about crypto, there are a lot of resources online. I will start with learning a little bit about how Bitcoin works, the Bitcoin white paper, for example. And also potentially, just dipping your toe in it a little bit, potentially, investing a little bit in it because that helps you. That helps you get to experience the market much better.
It's like you have to try it out to really learn well. It's almost like if you're in math class as a kid and it's like they can show you an equation, but unless like you're doing it yourself, you're not really going to learn as much. That's really great. The other big thing here at CES is like, consumer electronics show, but the major theme is AI. And so there's all these ideas, people are talking about so many different things, and you found a chance to have some of these conversations. What's inspiring you in this space?
What's inspiring me is I think that every company can use AI. I think that it's a truly transformational technology that can quickly add productivity to any company or any team.
And that's such an important thing too, because like everybody has so much more to do nowadays. It's like we're all doing extra jobs. Let's talk a little bit as well, just about like what led you to like the fintech space. And a lot of people they'll talk about when they're a kid, maybe there's something that happened. Like what got you to be interested in it?
Well, I really combining the two things that I know. I started my career in finance. I worked as an investment analyst for 3 years for different hedge funds. And then I actually changed careers to become a data scientist, going back to my math background, which was what I studied in college. And now I'm combining the two.
That's really exciting. I think there's a lot of people that are going to draw inspiration from your story as well. What kind of advice would you give people who are kind of like where you were in life, where you made that pivot to combine everything?
I would encourage people to take risks.
Okay.
Which is something that is not always easy to do. For example, I don't always take risks, but sometimes I think it's good to take a risk.
I think people need to hear that. Anything else that you would like to add about Coinfeeds, just to get more people educated?
So I would like to explain to everyone that building an internal AI platform, especially for financial institutions, is extremely important. Now, an AI platform is usually something that's only built within tech companies, but I think with the advancements of AI, more and more different companies in different industries should be building that. And the reason for this is that, like we were talking about earlier, AI is so transformative that it has the potential to benefit every single team within your company. And yet it's so complex. The whole process it's an end-to-end problem. It's not just the AI, it's the data ingestion, it's the model training, it's the model deployment. That you're creating a lot of synergies by establishing best practices internally and sharing standards internally so that different teams can develop their own AI tools.
What does the future look like in this space? Let's say maybe 5 years from now.
The future will look completely different from what it looks like today. I think that it's extremely exciting. I can't wait to see what the future holds.
Me too. Thank you so much. Thank you for talking with me today.
Yeah.